In this video, we are going to unbox this WD My Passport 4 TB external backup storage. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, we are going to unbox this WD My Passport 4 TB backup storage, and this is just an amazing and cool new product from the WD. And as you know that WD is a more reliable brand rather than other brands, and I prefer WD. This is not a sponsored product. I just bought it because I am a content creator and I was in need of lots of storage, so that's why I bought this one on the Great Indian Sale, which is going on right now. On Great Indian Sale, there was not that much of saving, but I saved around 600 Indian rupees on this one. If you are a photographer, content creator, or a YouTuber like me, then you must be in need of constant storage backup. You know the importance of the data, and if you are relying solely on the internal storage, you are running the risk of losing all of your data, because the internal storage may get affected at any time with the virus and you may end up losing all of your data, which everybody don't want. So that's why we need to have an external backup of all of our data. Whether you are shooting for the clients or creating YouTube videos or the online courses, then you need to have the backup of all of your data on at least 2 or 3 places, and one can be your internal drive, second can be your external hard drive, and third can be you can go for the cloud storage. So let's unbox this WD My Passport. This is the latest version of WD My Passport, and this comes in various cool colors. This one is in the royal blue color, and this comes in red color, orange color, I think yellow color, and white color, and the black color. I prefer this one, so I ordered this one. And this one is very portable and small in size. So let's unbox it. What's inside it? Let's find out.